Welcome to Day 46 of the Quantex Pro AI Live Trading Journal, a fully transparent educational demonstration of an automated gold trading strategy on XAUUSD. Gold is currently trading near 4,198, and the algorithm has two active buy positions showing plus $7,380 in combined unrealized profit. Account balance, $301,319. Equity, $308,699. Let's watch how the bot manages this setup in real market conditions. Both buy positions continue building strong momentum as gold rallies higher. Combined floating profit has now expanded to plus $7,536, temporarily pushing equity to $310,283. This demonstrates the algorithm's ability to capture multi-position trends during favorable market conditions, a key advantage of systematic trading. The positions remain active with floating profit adjusting to plus $6,828 as price consolidates near recent highs. Notice how the built-in trailing stop mechanisms automatically protect gains while still giving the trades room to develop. 100% hands-free execution, no emotions involved. Price action continues to develop as both buy positions capture the upward momentum. Combined floating profit peaks near $8,964, pushing equity temporarily to $310,283 before normalizing around $6,828 as the market consolidates. Moments later, all positions are automatically closed by the expert advisor at optimal exit points. Updated account balance, $306,767. The bot is now completely flat, with no active trades, patiently scanning the market and waiting for the next high probability, statistically favorable setup to emerge, exactly how disciplined algorithmic trading systems are designed to operate. Here's the complete performance summary for today's session. 6 fully automated trades executed with precision. Trade 1. Sell closed at plus $2,880. Trade 2. Buy closed at plus $2,322. Trade 3. Buy closed at plus $4,962. Today's largest winner. Trade 4. Buy closed at plus $1,656. Trade 5. Sell closed at plus $1,164. Trade 6. Buy closed at plus $3,792. Session total, plus $16,776. 6 wins out of 6 trades, 100% win rate. This live demonstration account started with $50,000 and over 46 trading days has grown to $306,767, representing approximately 514% growth during this specific observed period. These results reflect one account, one strategy, under specific market conditions. Past performance never guarantees future returns, and trading forex and CFDs carries substantial risk of capital loss. If you're interested in algorithmic trading or how expert advisors work, join our free educational Telegram community, link in the description, where we share daily journals, settings, and risk management guidelines purely for learning. If this breakdown was helpful, please like, subscribe for daily updates, and I'll see you for Day 47. Trade responsibly.